Omar's talking him down right now. He's hooking the harness safety belay on his back. He's going to get himself hooked up. Got him hooking up on the back for a safety line. Omar's getting the system ready. 2 carabiners, 1 for an anchor, 1 to put on his harness. Once he's locked up and ready to go, he can save himself with a self-rescue.
Alright,
Throwing the system up to him. He's going to anchor the system to the bucket. And he's going to anchor the auto-lock descending device with the lanyard on his harness so that he's going to be hooked into the system and get ready to save himself from this height. What do you think, about 25 feet up? How far? Yeah, about 25 feet up in the air in the bucket. Coming down off the side, he's going to get on the step, put some weight on the system.
That strap needs to go on the other side of it. That strap needs to go on the other side of it.
Moving the strap over, coming down. Omar's walking him through it. Mind you, this is somebody who hasn't ever done anything like this before. He's never done this before, has he? This is a new user.
Down and put weight on this. Yep. Put the hose. Yep. And I say to do something else. Come over this way.
Coming out of the bucket. He's in the system.
Now what I want you to do.
In the system.
That lever.
Don't grab it. As you can see, he's adjusting him on the harness, making sure everything's okay. He's in his Class 2 harness as well as in the harness that we provided him. He's on an auto-lock descending device, which means he's not going anywhere. He's going to be safe, he's going to be sound. That device is going to hold him. It can hold up to 3,500 pounds, the tensile strength. There it is. Rescue, self-rescue from above, assisted rescue from above. If he wanted to, he could have done that himself with our system. But Omar helped him out. Now he's safe and sound and ready to go. Hey, pretty easy?
Yeah,
Easy,
yeah.
easy to use.